Hello and welcome back to CAT Tech Tips for the second episode of the Versus series. My name is Anderson.
And my name is Echo. Today for episode 2, we will be talking about good versus bad passwords. Passwords are an essential part of everyone's online safety.
Without a good password, you're susceptible to being hacked. If it is something like your bank account, this could be catastrophic.
Without further ado, let's get into the video. Things that make a password bad is if it is too short, simple, or predictable. If a password is 1 character long and contains only letters, it can be only 1 out of 52 passwords. If the password is 16 characters long, it can be 1 out of 52 to the 16th power of passwords, or 1 out of 1 trillion. If you add special characters and numbers, then it could be 1 out of 104 to the 16th power, or 1 out of 180 nonillion passwords.
Wow, that's a pretty big number.
You bet it is.
If you want a strong password, you want to have a long, complex, and memorable password. You can accomplish this by using passwords.
Huh?
Passwords, words that can be turned into passwords.
Like what?
For example, you can take the word orange, capitalize it, and replace some of the letters with numbers and common symbols such as exclamation mark, question mark, pound sign, @ symbol, or the dollar sign.
So for orange, I could replace the O at the beginning with a 0, then capitalize the R, and then I could replace the A with an @ symbol, and then add a number at the end, like, say 8.
That's it, you're getting it now. The longer the password, the better, so you use words like proposition or crocodilian that aren't too complex but are longer.
I think I can do it now.
Let's test it out. First, we'll start with Anderson. What is a good password? Password 1. Password 1. Echo, you're up. What is a good password?
Orangutan 10 with a 0 and an @ sign.
Orangutan 10 with a 0 and an @ sign. Anderson, what is your next password? Red apple. Red apple. Echo, what is your next password?
Precipitate with a 3, @ sign, and 11.
Precipitate. Anderson, what is your next password? Anderson 2. Oh no. Anderson 2. Why would he use his name?
That's all for CIT Tech Tips. For more information on passwords, look at the link down below. Thank you for watching the Versus series. We'll be back with another one soon. Take the L, Anderson.